Here's how to redeem your Epic Rewards. Epic Rewards is a program where you can earn rewards on eligible purchases. You can use your reward balance at checkout to get a discount on your next eligible purchase. Epic funds these rewards and they don't affect the standard revenue sharing. So, in order to redeem your rewards, you need to go to store.epicgames.com, log into your account, tap on your profile picture or the user icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see the option of Redeem Code and Redeem Fortnite Gift Card. Go ahead, select Redeem Code if you have code. Now, this will take you to this kind of interface where you can go ahead and enter the code that you have in order to redeem. Then tap on Redeem, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom, and you'll be done. If you have a Fortnite gift card, you can go ahead and redeem it as well. Tap on this option over here, and this will take you to another page where you can enter your code, which is 16-digit code. You'll find it in the back of your card, and then tap on Redeem, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Or you can also go ahead and add an item to your card and proceed to check out. And during payment, you can select Epic Rewards as your payment method. Then the discount will be applied to your purchase. Keep in mind that Epic Rewards cannot be used for subscriptions like Fortnite Crew. However, you will earn Epic Rewards for each recurring payments or subscriptions. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.